What's up, everybody? We are at Burger King. I know, you're like, Burger King? I'm usually eating the decent food and like the good restaurants, but today we're here because they have a taco. Everyone knows it's out, 99-cent taco. We're gonna try that. We're also gonna try the Impossible Whopper. Get some reviews on those two. They have a pulled pork sandwich here too. I might just get that also, throw that in the mix. Yeah, can I get one of your 99-cent tacos? Yeah, no lettuce though. Can I also get the Impossible Whopper and no lettuce, no tomato, no onion? Then the pulled pork king, just a sandwich?
We don't have a pulled pork king. Oh,
no more of that? Go! No, anything else? Let me get an order of the mozzarella sticks. And then also, let me get 2 4-piece chicken nuggets. Okay, thank you. All right, so we got the Impossible Whopper. I know I pretty much took all the toppings off, but I don't like lettuce.
Unless it's like a Caesar with romaine. I never put lettuce on my burgers. I know people say, hey, it's a crunch, but I'm sorry. Lettuce, tomato on burgers and stuff like that, I'm just not a fan of. So those are taken off, and I'm just not in the mood for onions. So we're gonna try the Impossible Whopper. We're gonna try the taco. Once again, I'm not a fan of lettuce. If it was shredded cabbage, I do like shredded cabbage on my tacos, so lettuce is off the taco. I was gonna get the pulled pork, but they don't have that anymore, so false advertisement on their part. It's just right in front of you, huge, but we're not getting that. And I like my chicken nuggets, so I got some chicken nuggets and mozzarella sticks. I'm a sucker for those. I just decided to throw those in. But obviously everyone knows that. We're just gonna do the review on the Impossible Whopper and also on the taco.
All right, we got our bag of food. Time to go home and eat it. Woo! All right, we're home. So now here comes the big reveal. So here is our taco. There you go. You can see they said it's crispy. The shell itself, obviously, because it's holding the beef and cheese, it's a little soft around there. The outer ends look pretty crispy. Inside we have, looks like some type of a taco sauce, barbecue maybe, cheese, and beef. Once again, I'm not expecting much, it's only $1. So let's get into this. It tastes like there's some type of a bean mixture too, which I think there might be. Overall, I'm pretty surprised. It's not bad for a fast food taco. This isn't your, obviously your true taco joint that you go to if you're looking for true tacos, kind of like the other places I go to. This is fast food. You know, what we're comparing is this Taco Bell, because Taco Bell is another fast food taco joint. So, the outer part has a nice crunch. The inner is so jam-packed full of meat and cheese and like the mix. It's not as crunchy, but actually not bad. Even the taco sauce compared to like the taco sauce package you get from Taco Bell, the flavor is not bad. So would I recommend getting it? If you're in a pinch and you want something cheap and you're in the Burger King line, yeah. I like it. It's good. No complaints here. Burger King, you did a pretty decent job for a $1 taco. No complaints. You know, you see this whole time talking about it. I'm almost done already. So, might as well finish it up. Last little bite here. Let you hear the crunch. Little close-up crunch view for you. And then the other one, the newest thing to their menu, the Impossible Whopper. So being vegan and vegetarian for people. It's a meatless patty. So here we go. The Impossible Whopper. Flame grilled to perfection. And here you go. You know, the little sesame seed bun. Normally it has lettuce, tomato, and onions, but like I said before, not a big fan of those. Open it up. We do have our pickles. Looks like they threw some mayo on there, some ketchup. And here's the patty. Moment of truth, being a carnivore and a meat eater. Let's put this to the taste. And to be 100% real with you, it literally tastes just like a Whopper. So, if you're vegan, you're vegetarian, you want an option instead of a burger, if you're in any of these fast food lines, Burger King, Impossible Whopper, tastes just like the regular Whopper. Now, when it comes to burgers, am I a huge fan of Burger King's burgers? I would go other places. This is just merely because I just want to see what it tasted like. Same thing with the taco. I don't eat fast food on the regular. I'm more of a support the local business type of guy. I like to go to all those type of restaurants, mom and pops places. Those usually have the best quality and the flavor. But for today, our review was on Burger King. It was on the Impossible Whopper. It was on their taco. So if you're a fan of Burger King, if you're a fan of the Whoppers and you want to do something meatless, this tastes just like the regular Whopper. Taco is on point, just as good as Taco Bell, if not a little bit better. That's my opinion. So as always, make sure you follow, you comment, hit the subscribe button, bash that little bell over there so you get the notifications for when my videos drop. As always, videos Mondays and Thursdays, and I'm gonna start adding a little bit more in between. Thank you all, and bye.